Yo, what up, Boom, bro? How are you so quick, bro? What the hell? I barely just started the stream. Hold on. We at all-time highs almost again. We keep trading all-time highs. Yesterday kind of messed up my psychology. Nah, you're good, bro. I saw your trade. Let's go over real quick. Well, what about yesterday's trade? What happened? Oh, I see. Yeah, I think we have FOMC today or something, so that'll be interesting. But trying to see. Yeah, dude. Okay, so yeah, there's a sell-off. Interesting. No entry for me. Okay, let's see. I think there's still room potentially to go lower. I'm just kind of eyeing it. See, once we sweep Asia low, if we could do that. Yeah, see, ES is like, I want to see a like deeper sell off on ES, but honestly, maybe potentially something like this right now. Okay, well, you know, I guess ES could just start pushing right now. That works too. Come on, ES, bro. Okay, well, mini inversion right here. I don't know if it's worth it to take this inversion, but I don't know. It'll be like a B setup maybe. Because if we close above, you're immediately going break even probably. That's if like we hit it. I just don't like it because ES didn't sweep Asia, or sorry, London. We tapped the 1 hour fair value gap though on ES. Or I guess on NQ, huh? And London lows, okay. I mean, I'll give it a shot as well. Oh, fuck. It already hit. That's kind of late. Yeah, well, just go break even. Holy shit. What is going on, bro? Holy, oh, I'll take it right there though. Okay, we out. I didn't take that on my funded, bro. That was too risky for funded to count. Any other scenario, I probably wouldn't take this ever. First of all, we didn't take Asia low, but I guess we took London low, but just ES is disgusting, bro. I don't know if we swept it. Yeah, we did not sweep it. I think it was just double equal lows. And we just kind of left Asia low on NQ. I still am bullish though, just because we're near all-time highs at least. So there's that. There is still upside. I drew it out again, right? This is what I wanted to see. It's just that we didn't get everything I wanted, but you know, I guess we still executed quick 300, or was it 285? Okay. Not the best trade though, because you have to go break even immediately, and chances are you probably get stopped immediately. So I don't know. Trying to see what happens here though. Any fair value you have here? Would you enter off of here, Boom? This is your breaker block right here or something. Would you enter right here, back into this tab as well? Yeah. Are you in? Bro, wait, sniper entry if you got in? Look at that. You like barely tap it. You're in? Oh, okay. Okay, brother. Bro, you got no drawdown, bro. What the hell? Holy shit. Yo, I'm just saying, Woom, when you and I trading together, bro, I just get the first inversion entry, but you got sniper entries, bro. You got sniper entries, bro. Look at that. That's disgusting. Look at that wick. All right, so when are you going break even though? My question. Like once you re-break these highs, maybe, right? Would you go break even or just not even tap break even yet? The trade breaker of what's up, brother? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Are you from the Discord as well? I need your Discord username. I need to associate names with names, you know. I do stop loss or TP no break even. Okay, understandable. Good rule. All right, we're tapping into the B. Or I guess that's not a BPR, huh? Never mind. I'm just saying, Woom, you might hit stop loss if ES decides to dump like any second. Yeah, that was actually not a good trade by me, because now look at ES, bro. Look at ES. Look at we had a strong push all because of ES, right? But now that like ES is just so weird sometimes, because ES will be strong and then it becomes weak. Oh, you just joined. Oh, okay. Welcome. Yeah, we just took a quick trade just now. I didn't take it on my fundeds, but I did execute it on stream on the paper. It was this trade. It was a B trade maybe. The only reason why I didn't like it was like I wish we had left more room. Trading View took forever to execute it, but you call it this candle right here, I guess. Okay, so I entered like kind of late, but by the time, yeah, where am I from? I'm from California, USA. USA. We got Woom over there. Brother is from Germany. Where are you from? We got another guy from Algeria. That's pretty cool. Where my boy Eddie's at. Okay. Oh yeah, you saw it, right? Yes, sir. That's gonna play out real good, yeah. Are you an ICT trader? I'm gonna call you TB, trade breaker. We'll call you TB. Oh, you're an ICT trader? Okay, okay. What's your like bread and butter, you know? What's your favorite entries or your strategy, or I guess concepts that you use from ICT? Because for me, I'm like a very simple ICT trader. I don't use breaker blocks. I don't use order blocks. I mean, I'll use SMTs and stuff, but like I don't care about silver bullet. I don't care about, like, for me, it's literally just fair value gaps and liquidity. That's it. IRL to ERL liquidity and 2022 model aligned with SMT simple. Okay, that's pretty simple. You kind of like Woom. Woom likes breaker blocks and he likes the 2022 model. I guess the same as like the unicorn model. Do you trade inversions at all or no? Yeah, we're kind of chopping around now. That's not. But I do use some basic concepts of quarterly theory, like the opening and no. Can you teach me how to use inversions? Oh, okay. Yeah, inversions are literally just what they kind of sound like. They're just any fair value gap that gets disrespected, right? So it's like the most important concept, or not concept, the thing you want to understand about inversions are you need to have some sort of target or drawn liquidity already, right, in mind for inversions to work. You don't want to just blindly take any inversion, right? So inversion is basically what it sounds like, right? So whenever we inverse a fair value gap, right? So in case, let's just use this as an example, right? This fair value gap right here, right? Any normal fair value gap, how did ICT teach it, right? It's like imbalance, right? You want to fill in these fair value gaps, right? And you know, oftentimes we'll revisit these fair value gaps, right, and head lower in the intended direction, right? But we're not in my scenario, right? Before we even started the stream, I was kind of bullish, right? I see. Can you state any 3 criterias? What do you mean by that? For like a trade? Oh, okay. Okay, I think I get what you're saying. Like context? That's kind of hard to like explain, I guess. For me, I'm like I don't like saying I'm an intuition trader, but I kind of just look at the chart. Like I got the one which is drawn liquidity and other. Okay, for me, yeah, I'm kind of bullish, right? For the reason being that we kind of like let's say we swept this 4-hour, right, and then we also have these 4-hour swing highs, and then not only that we're near trading at all-time highs, right? I have 3 different reasons why I'm kind of bullish right now, right? First of all, we swept liquidity, right? We swept liquidity. Second of all, we're trading near at all-time highs, and if you know anything about trading near all-time highs, right, never try to short, because if you think about it, right, I'm gonna drop some game for you, right? If you're trading at all-time highs, right, one thing I've learned, I traded like all-time highs last year, or like a year and a half ago. When you're trading at all-time highs, do not short, right? Because if you think about basic market structure, right, and like a bullish trend, right? If you think about a normal bullish trend, like any stock that goes up, right, it'll look like this, right? Simplified, right? Sure, everybody knows this, right? But when you're trading at all-time highs, right, when you break all-time highs, right, you don't know how long we're gonna be bullish in this price leg for, right? That's basically kind of what we're trading at right now, right? This let's pretend like this little price leg here. Let me do this instead. This price leg, right? So we're right here. When you blast through all-time highs, right? You'll just keep pushing for the most part, right? But we don't know how long this like push is gonna last, right? Sure, you'll get retraces and stuff, but like trying to guess where the top is just it's trying to stop a rocket, right? It's the opposite of trying to catch a falling knife. I wouldn't recommend it. So it's just best to like honestly any retrace you see at all-time highs to buy the dip and just keep riding it into all-time highs, right? TP hit. Okay, let's go Woom. Let's go Woom. Yeah, that would have been second TP. Yeah, if that makes sense. Third reason, right? We have this fair value gap that I want to see get filled, right? So we have reason one, why, right? I went long, or I would have like a long bias. We swept liquidity right here. 2, we're trading near all-time highs, right? 3, I want to see this 4-hour fair value gap get filled, right? So I have 3 reasons why I would be bullish. Not only that, if you guys are not using Asia and London indicators, right? Like these Asia high, London high, Asia low indicators, bro. Oh my God. You guys are doing yourself a disservice. Go ahead, copy these settings if you need, but ICT kill zones and pivots by TFO, right? And put in these settings. You could replay this stream if you need, but let me show you what I have, right? It will make your life so much easier because, yeah, this is the best one, I think. I tweaked the settings around just a little bit. Like I changed the times around just a little bit. But how I usually use this is, yeah, I got you, bro. The way I use those indicators is you see the London and Asia lows, right? If we start selling past, right? So like how I basically would use it is if we let's go we're building friendships over here. How I use it is if we continue selling past, let's say market open did this instead, right? Let's say market open did this and it just started selling past London to Asia. I'd probably have a bearish bias at this point now because now we're not like respecting any of these Asia or London levels, right? And instead I would probably go short. But the fact that we kind of just swept these levels instead and just started pushing, that kind of gave me an indication that maybe we wanted to be bullish. Yeah. So you just, and if you see an entry, you just got to take it. As for the inversion, sorry, I probably should have just explained the inversion. Yeah, that was just the context part, right? So now that we have like some sort of context, right, why we should be bullish, yeah, the inversion is just a fair value gap that gets closed back above, right? So if it's a bearish a bearish inversion, right? Or sorry, a bearish fair value gap, if we close back above, that would be a bullish inversion, right? So anything that kind of looks like this, right? So say this is the bearish fair value gap right here, and if we close above it, right? If we get a candle close above, that'd be your inversion. And yeah, 3 ways you could use this, right? There's 3 different ways you could use inversions. First of all is by just taking the close back above, right? Yeah, that people just rebrand it as was it Smart Money Concepts or SMC, right? Change a character, break a structure, they're all the same. Like the real soup. Yeah, I don't trade turtle soups anymore. I remember I used to try trading turtle soups. It was probably one of the worst trading I've ever done, bro. I would not go back. Trying to guess the top or bottom, bro, it was terrible. It just didn't work for me. So now, like, scenario is, I kind of want to see what happens after we sweep all these lows right here, right? And if we could close back above right here. No, it's literally just the liquidity sweep, Woom. You're just guessing when the liquidity sweep's happening and we're reversing. Like, it'll be good if there is a fair value. So right now, Woom, right? If like basically how I would have traded traded it back then is if we had a fair value gap right here, right? If we had a fair value gap right here plus a liquidity sweep, I would enter long right now. Like this would be what I would be doing. And then you just enter off that. You really don't enter off of anything except a wick, right? So if you get a wick like this, right? Well, let's say this is like, obviously it's got to be an important low, right? It's got to be some swing low, right? But you basically just, if you see like a wick or something like this, bro, you just enter, bro. Obviously context depends a little bit, but like that's basically turtle soup, bro. And the turtle soups are too much guessing for me, bro. So I took that out of my trading arsenal and my win rate went up. So I don't touch turtle soups if you can help it. I know there's some good turtle soup traders, but I don't like it personally. But yeah, a couple scenarios now is, let's see, what do you got? Like this would be a turtle soup, I guess, on the 5-minute, but who actually took that, you know? Like, I don't know. So at this point, right, it's kind of 50-50 because we swept London low and London high. I would have really liked to see us at least sweep Asia low instead, so we get something like this wick, right? Then that would give me more confidence for maybe even higher, but just gotta see. I used to trade like Euro USD and whatever. I started off in Forex, but I didn't. Forex is, bro. Forex is different, bro. I did not like Forex at all. I traded Forex for like 2 months, maybe. I bought like an FTMO. What is it called? I forgot those prop firms in Forex. I think it's like FTMO. FTMO? I don't remember, but I bought an account with them. Did not. I got funded with them, but did not get a payout. Did not like it. And then I switched to futures, and my life has been great ever since. Okay, I'd probably be bearish now, right? Because ES is trying to drop and sweep these lows, right? So it's just there's no entry at the moment. But from what I could guess, ES will probably try to take these lows, right? London low. If we sweep and have an aggressive push down, we might sweep Asia as well. I don't know. It's just the thing that this market is so hard to trade recently. It's so hard to trade because ES and NQ are not correlating at all recently. We have an SMT. What SMT? This one? Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Yeah, bearish SMT. You'll probably be short now. Yeah. Okay, so ES is about to tap into this fair value gap. There would be even a setup. Okay. I guess this would be your setup somewhere over here. somewhere within this area. I don't know. Maybe unless you take out ES. All right, let's see what ES does soon. Do we have news today? Forex Factory. Oh, we got home sales in 4 minutes actually. That might move the market just a little bit. Okay, we got 4 minutes. Are you gonna take it on ES? Dude, ES on the 15-minute is disgusting, bro. What? That's so bad. Yeah, if ES sells off, NQ's gonna drop, bro. If ES sells off, NQ's gonna drop. We might get like a terrible death candle too, like actually just destroy it. It might just close like this, bro. If it closes like that, we might go for these lows. I might be really bearish now at that point. There's no entry short for me. I don't see a single entry. Yeah, I'll probably wait. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so you see right here, TB, right? This is an inversion you would not take for long, right? Because this is a bullish inversion, right? So we close above right here, but it doesn't make sense to take this one, right? Because we have all these lows at the bottom, right? So this would be a terrible inversion to take long. So definitely do not take those ones. My opinion on this would change if instead of that we got like a wick like this, right? So if we got a wick like this, yeah, you got it. All right, you quick learner, okay. If we got like a wick like this instead, I would probably take this, right? But the fact that we didn't, I don't like it. So but yeah, once ES drops, bro, NQ's gonna fall off. Are you trading with any prop firms right now, TB? Oh, you on a personal account? Okay, okay. Have you tried prop firms before? Which ones have you tried? Oh my god, bro. You know, nah, okay. Wait, you gotta switch over to futures, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Trust me, switch to futures, your life will be so much better, bro. Try MyFundedFutures or something. DD, let's go. What is up? Okay, I guess the news didn't happen. It didn't do anything. T, how are you doing, brother? What's up? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. We took a trade earlier. Quick W. Me and Woom took the trade. Took a quick long. taking this inversion to these highs basically. Oh, you tried long on NQ? Was it the inversion or what? Right here? You take this one? Oh, you got stopped. Okay, okay. Oh, you got in here? Yeah, if you go to the description of the stream, I do have an Instagram, but I don't post on there. I have a personal one, but hey, that's personal. That's personal. I don't even use it. I don't even post anything on my personal. I have like 50 followers. Still trade demo? Okay, okay. Are you interested in? Thank you. Hey, I don't use Instagram, but I'm just saying. I'm about to start posting more on Instagram and YouTube, so there you go. It's been like a year since I posted on Instagram. I'm not gonna lie. I just those shorts videos that you'll see on my page. It takes forever to make those, bro. I'm like, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Cause then I have to record my screen on the side, and then this and that. I gotta find a trade. Then I gotta edit the video a little bit, dude. I'll still do it, but need video editor? Maybe I don't know. I'm joking. I just edit my own stuff. Okay, here it is. You see why you would not take this inversion, bro? You see this? This is why we would not take that. CapCut, bro? Who the hell uses CapCut, bro? What the fuck? Dude, no, I'm on the I went from Premiere Pro to DaVinci, so. Oh, really? Okay. Isn't it like, I think there's like a watermark every time I try to use it though. It's like a free one. I'm on the free one at least. Is it a paid program? Honestly, I kind of like DaVinci now. It's like free. Everything's free on DaVinci. I was like, I don't know why I wasn't using it before. But yeah, ES is probably gonna slam down. Goated. Perfect for TikTok type of videos. Okay, I'll trust you. Didi, are you interested in like Forex or futures? Because you're still trading, was it paper right now, right? Demo, right? It's a simple, you can do them videos, I do future, okay. It's a simple, I could do them videos in 10 minutes since the program is made for these type of videos. Maybe try it out. Okay, I'll try it. Oh, you an NQ baby, okay, okay. Have you traded funded accounts before yet, or not yet? You're still waiting, trying to get better on paper first. Not yet. Or are you like Womb over here, he's still a child, he's still 17, he can't trade these futures yet. He's gotta turn 18. Are you 2020? Okay, you 21. All right. I'm still older than you, bro. I'm 22. I'm 22. I'm just saying, use my affiliate code for Tradeify. That way I can make some dough on the side if you need. Link in the description. Use code MONK. That's what 2Ks. We will take more on DC. I am fun, yes. Thank you. Okay, well, we got all this high resist, or sorry, low resistance liquidity now. High resistance? Low resistance liquidity, bro. I always get that mixed up. We might go like this. We'll talk more on. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Hey, it's always there, bro. Yo, Woom, how long have you just been sitting in the markets? Like, check 1 hour fair value gap. All right. Sir, what fair value gap? Or what fair value gap, sir? What do you mean? 1 hour fair value? I don't see no fair value gap. Am I missing something? Not top. Oh, this one. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah. So you think we push up maybe, go like this, or maybe something like this? Okay, okay. Honestly, that's what I like too. So, like for me, so we took a trade earlier. My thinking is we swept this liquidity, right? Had a nice wick. We're trading at all-time highs. Maybe push back up, fill back in this 4 hour fair value gap. So yeah, that's the same thing. Good trade, good trade, good trade, or good trade idea. Dude, I don't like this, bro. ES, just dump already, bro. Like, I don't want to take any longs until ES like just absolutely sweeps this, or we get super close to this level. It's not worth to take a long, in my opinion, right now, because ES is just playing around, bro. Yeah, how are you just been sitting around in the markets, Woom, bro? I don't get how you could do this. Like, I just want to leave after the first like 10 minutes looking at this. Like, after our trade, bro, like it's just a snooze fest. Yeah, let's ignore it. All right. You don't have to tell me twice, bro. We go on Twitter. Let's see what's popping over here. Hey, I'm just saying, well, we took the same trade, bro. Excuse me. This. Hey, all the gurus take it, or took it, bro. All the gurus took it. He's trading like 1 micro. It's Monk or Monkey. You can call me Andrew as well. Real name. It's funny because everyone on Discord, so I'm like talking with a couple different not firms, but like when I do talk with firms and stuff on like partnerships, or like just recently I was talking with TradeSyncer. They're like CEO or CPO or something. I was like in their DMs and stuff. They just keep calling me Monk, bro. I'm like, all right, that wasn't my name. It's supposed to be Monkey, right? Like a monkey, but I just said Monkey. That's why my logo, if you look at my logo, I like monks and I like monkeys, right? So I was like, I'm a genius, bro. I'm gonna come up with monkey. It sounds like monkey, but not really. But everyone, whenever they type to me, right, they just type in monk with 1K. I'm like, okay. I just go by monk now, I guess. Just mixed it, yeah. Like, actually, just look at my logo, bro. look at this logo, bro. This is AI generated, bro. Tell me this ain't fire, bro. That's fire, no? Look at that. He's doing like the hand thing with the monks do. He's a monkey in a monk outfit, bro. It's perfect, bro. AI the goat, yes, sir. Okay. Oh, wait. This is not good. This is not bad. This is not bad right here. Look at this. Look at this. Right here. This is not bad right here for a short, I think, in my opinion. Something like this. Just gotta, if ES has to slam down right now, though. Like, if it stalls and starts chopping, bro, it's not a good sign. You go break even once you go hit this right here. Because we swept all this as well, right? Not bad. These are the candles that you like to see when you get into a trade, right? Just clear candles, no hesitation. Just clear, yeah. Bro, look at ES, bro. ES is playing around again. Don't do this, bro. Don't do this, bro. Don't do this, bro. Last line of defense is this fair value out. I'm not in. No. This is not good. If I take it on paper right here, Womb, if I execute on stream, then that means it's good enough for me to take on my funded account. But if I'm just like drawing it out like this, I didn't. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, bro. Gotta match the theme. Although I like your chart colors more, so I've been thinking about changing it, but it's just so bright, you know? Okay. I guess, no, ignore everything I've ever said, bro. We just flip back down, I guess. Or flip back up. It looked good, bro, but maybe I should have just gotten stops break even right here. See if we can still slam down. Oh, look, okay, we have all this liquidity as well to the downside, right? Dude, this is disgusting, bro. Thank you for tuning in, Woom. You are always the first one in, bro. We're always the first one in. I swear, I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. Next payout I do, we gonna do a giveaway. I'm just saying, you got a high chance of winning the prize. I don't know. We'll probably do like a $50 giveaway. I don't know. We'll see. It'll help fund your funded account maybe. But thank you for tuning in, Woom. I'll honestly end the stream soon. Probably like another 5 minutes. But yeah. This is some terrible price action. Nah, this is looking bearish, bro. I swear to God. SMT now. Ugh. The SMT. If we don't get any other movements soon, bro, I might just end the stream, bro. This is so boring. I do like shorts though, because ES is building up all this liquidity to the downside. We have double equal lows right here. We still didn't sweep Asia low. We had an inversion right here. We're still holding this fair value gap. Bit of an SMT to the downside. We already swept London high as well. This is looking not bad for shorts in my opinion. It's just whenever ES decides to sell off, that's when NQ will drop, or if NQ decides to drop right now. But ES is the main one that's holding us back, because we need to sweep this liquidity on ES. ES also has these double equal lows on London. Let's see what happens right here. Okay. Guess not. If we push back above, maybe. Yeah, it's indecisive for sure. If we push back up, I can maybe see something like this. Maybe. If we continue to push past right here, I'd probably just switch my bias to bullish. I'd probably try to find these highs over here. Like these swing highs right here. And then maybe try to ride it to all-time highs, but we'll see. But I'm basically just gonna end stream right here. This one's gonna be a loser probably. Didn't take it though, so that's good. But it was, you know, I probably should have gone break even. Hindsight, right? Right here. Not get too greedy. Just go break even right here. Right? Would have been stopped, but help prevent us from this headache. And yeah. Okay, there's their stop right there. We did sweep this. So now, if we were to sell off, it's got to be soon. If not, I'd probably just switch my bias to be bullish, even though it doesn't look good for longs. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, Trade Breaker. That's the end of the stream today. I will see you tomorrow and Friday as well. And yeah, it was a good trade. Hey, you should have joined us earlier, bro. If you go back to the start of the video, you'll see me taking a trade with one of the other guys. Took a long right here and then took into these highs. But thank you for tuning in. And I'm gonna end the stream here. I will see you later. Peace.